Hi everyone, welcome to section 5 of this video series, Moderate Images and Detect Unwanted Visuals. In this video, we will set up and explore the Content Moderation service. The API has two pricing tiers. The free one limits calls to 1 per second and has a maximum of 5,000 transactions for moderation and review each. The standard tier starts at around 85 cents per 1,000 transactions. The exact pricing can be found on the Azure portal and site. So let's switch to the portal and create the service. Okay, we switch to the portal. I want to create a new resource. So let's find the content moderation service. As we can see, we can select the content moderator and create a new one. Let's select a location near to us and we will pick the standard one. And maybe we want a new resource group, or you can easily reuse an existing one. Then we click create and it's deployed. If we go to this resource, we see the same settings as with other cognitive services. And we see the famous endpoints to create the API calls. And of course the keys are also in place. So, a quick recap. First, create a resource group in the portal, or reuse one if you have one already. Create a content moderator service in the resource group and grab the API key and endpoint and start using the API.